Welcome to ModiMakes.
This is the door to my studio. Bland, tan, and basic. Let's paint it. First, I have to tape it off and paint it white. Okay, I have a good base. Now time for the doodle. I think I'll paint the trim first. Man, my studio space just got way more interesting. Having this big mural on the doorway is really fantastic, man. It really livens up the place and cuts through these pure white void that I'm living in right now in the studio. Woo! Well, there you have it, my peoples. My studio door mural is complete. Man, took way longer than I expected it to coming into it. I need to get some way bigger Posca pens for stuff like this in the future because those fills were just so tedious. I didn't know if I was gonna survive through them. It was ridiculous. But I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think the piece turned out great. I really like being able to see my art in this kind of a scale. And you know, if you like the piece, let me know down in the comments below. And if you have any questions about anything I've done or any ideas for things for me to do in the future or just any comments in general, obviously throw those in the comments section below. As that's what it's there for. And you know, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a like. That would be amazing. And if you like me, you like the channel, you want to help support me, then the #1 thing that you can do is to subscribe. I really couldn't thank you enough if you did. And with all that out of the way, and without further ado, let's get into those final shots, shall we?
Thanks for watching.